USGS, Science for a Changing World. This video covers the Bulk Download Web Application, or BDWA, which allows you to download large quantities of satellite imagery and geospatial data. The BDWA is web-based and compatible with Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. No additional downloads are required to use the BDWA. The starting point for this tutorial is earthexplorer.usgs.gov. We'll search for a set of sample data, then add it to the BDWA for bulk downloading. First, let's make sure we're signed in, then zoom in on an area of interest. You may already be familiar with putting together an EarthExplorer search. Define a search point or perimeter, enter a date range if applicable, filter by cloud cover, choose one or more datasets, and any additional criteria. 61 results were returned by this search, and the first 3 look great. Now it's time to fill our bulk download item basket. If you're only interested in adding a subset of these results to your item basket, look for the Add to Bulk Download icon next to any scenes you want to include. Let's use the icon to add the first 2 scenes to our basket. Note that your item basket count has been updated. If you'd like to add every result from this page, check Add All Results from Current Page to Bulk Download in the Results Controls menu shown here. Your item basket count at the top of the page has been updated. Let's click the link to continue. We're not in the bulk download web application just yet. This order selection tool allows you to refine which products will be sent to the BDWA. Click Start Order to begin. Our 61 scenes have been loaded. Click on the drop-down arrow to the left of the dataset to expand the list. In this example, we want the natural color and thermal geotiffs from each dataset, so let's click Options and select those products. All 61 order entries have been updated. You can customize individual entries as needed. For this order, we'll proceed without any changes. Collapse the entry list and give the order a name. If you don't enter a name, one will be generated automatically. Click the Submit button. When the order is submitted, you'll receive a confirmation email with the order number, a link to the BDWA, and additional information. Your order will also be added to the BDWA at this time. Next, we'll download data from the BDWA. To begin a download, click on the link in your email or go to eebulk.cr.usgs.gov and log in if needed. Note that this tool will prompt you for permission to view and save to your file system, but will only give the application access to the selected folder. Click on Launch Bulk Download Web Application. This window displays one or more orders connected to your account. Click on the blue Open Order button next to one of them. The scene list will be visible on the BDWA. You'll be asked to select the local folder where you'd like your data to be downloaded. Select a download destination folder. Now you're ready to click Begin Download. The BDWA will begin downloading scenes. This Downloader Settings panel allows you to modify various options, such as the number of concurrent downloads and the retry frequency for failed files. As your files download, a status report near the bottom provides information on progress and any errors. Closing the BDWA tab in your browser will not stop active downloads, but we do recommend keeping the page open in the background until your order has completed. This concludes our walkthrough of the EarthExplorer to bulk downloader workflow. Documentation and frequently asked questions about the BDWA are available to help answer any questions you may have. For any issues not addressed on the help site, please contact the User Services team at this address. USGS, Science for a Changing World.